Now we will note down the readings of the experiment characteristic of Zener diode. This is the circuit diagram and these are the readings. The least count of voltmeter is 0.2 volts, least count of microammeter is 5 microampere. Then the first part, that is VI, input voltage, is cancelled. You only take the reading of the current IZ and the voltage, output voltage VZ. So you can take this way the readings by moving the rheostat as performed, as shown while performing the experiment. Now you have to plot a graph in this manner. We have to take the third quadrant. This is the third quadrant. This is the first, second, third, and then the fourth. So in the third quadrant you are going to plot. Along the x-axis you have the output voltage. Along the y-axis, negative y-axis, you have IZ, and negative x-axis you have VZ. Okay, this is how you have to plot the graph. I have plotted it. So along the y-axis you are having IZ. So you are going to plot, if this is 0, 0 origin, 10, 20 to 50 on 150 on this side, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the x-axis. So x-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 0.5 volts. So this is 0.5, 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3, like that. Y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 10 microamperes, not 5, it is 10. Okay, it is 10 microamperes. So 1 centimeter is equal to 10 microamperes. This is how you have to plot. Then you plot the graph. First reading is for 5 microampere, 2.8 volts. So just search for 5 microampere. 5 microampere is here and 2.8 is here. So this is how I plotted. Then the second one, 20 and 3.4. This is 20 and this is 3.4. So this is how you have to plot the graph. You will get a curve and join the point from 0. From 0 onwards you join it like this. Like this the curve is coming. You have to join it. Join all the lines. You get a curve like this. And the end of the curve you draw a line. Drop it on the x-axis. This point is called as a breakdown voltage of Zener diode. तो यहाँ पे जहाँ भी कट होता है मोस्टली तुम्हारा 4.2 पे कट होगा, 4.2 पे. So your breakdown voltage will be 4.2 volt. It will be 4.2 volt. So you will get it after you draw a line like this. When you draw a curve, यहाँ पे curve draw करके यहाँ line draw करोगे तो it will come on 4.2 volts. यहाँ पे जहाँ कट होता है ना, that will be 4.2 volts. तो here you draw a curve like this. ऐसा करके curve draw करोगे and then 4.2 volts पे ऐसा line draw करोगे. That is all you have to do. So this is the graph. So complete it and post it as early as possible. Write in the result breakdown voltage is 4 volts. Draw it in your rough journal. Draw the graph in the graph paper and submit as early as possible.